It's not good for you.
It's not good for me, but you're okay to drink it. How does it work? Give me some Coke, please.
Mommy, there's water there.
Give me some Coke.
Mayu.
Just a little bit.
No, Mayu.
Why? Why can't I have Coke?
It's not good for you. It makes it hurt your teeth.
Really? And you're drinking it?
Mommy.
How about your teeth?
No, Mama. My teeth is very strong. Mayu, there's water there. I will show you the magic. I will show you a toy.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon. What time is it now, Daddy? 12 o'clock. Good noon. Welcome back to our channel. It is, what day is it today, honey? Come on, say hi guys.
Hi guys.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm in Brisbane.
I'm Brisbane.
This is our day 2 here in Brisbane. It is now Saturday and we are currently in South Bank kasi we are looking for the ferry papuntang city. Punta kami ng CBD guys, magtingin-tingin kami. So the plan has changed kasi originally dapat sana kikitain namin yung family ko dito for lunch. Magba-barbecue sana kami, but then earlier this morning tinawagan ako ng tita ko, sabi niya hindi daw matutuloy kasi something has happened. Kaya yun, nag-change plan kami at ito yung namin, maybe this one money? I'm not sure. So, hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta, but we're looking for South Bank 3. Show me your outfit, Nakbe. That's Paris's clothes and shoes. Ayan, sobrang cute. Do you like your... That's your shoes? Ayan. So, magpo-focus muna kami, guys.
This is gonna go to Brisbane City, but walking.
Kung update namin kayo mamaya kasi hindi namin alam kung saan kami. Hanapin muna namin yung yung terminal para makaalis kami papuntang city. So here's the city guys. So somewhere yung ating sasakyan para i-cross tong river na to guys at makapunta tayo doon sa kabila. Kasi doon yung city. Ayan. Ang ating mag-ama ay ayun madilim ba guys? Hindi masyadong maganda yung lighting dito today kasi may yata ito parang may paparating na storm or something kaya hindi siya masyadong sunny, but still very warm guys. Kaya tingnan nyo ang suot Paris, give mommy a flying kiss. Give mommy a flying kiss. Lumabas yung haring araw guys nakikisama yata sa atin. Baba, give mommy a flying kiss. Do you like water, Paris? I sure you like water.
Yeah, you wanna get one from across?
Yeah, no, I don't know, up to you. Kaya maganda yung view dito guys. Diyan, nahanap na namin yung South Bank 3. Diyan kami mag-aabang ng boat.
You got one from here?
Yay!
Mommy.
Yes, Nak? Wow! Careful, Nak. That's the bridge there. Where you going, Anak? Stay here, sweetheart. The boat is here. Quick. Apparently, libre daw to siya, guys. So, see. Let's see if libre. We're getting off here, Paris. Okay, go down.
chips ka.
Hold, Daddy. Thank you. Thank you very much. Oop, oop, oop. Uy, oh, Paris. Oh, Daddy. Oh, Dada. Yay! We're here. I don't know where we are, but yeah. We'll get something to eat for lunch kasi mag-aalauna na siya, guys. Ito yung nakita ni Daddy, my chicken, so maybe Paris will eat this one. Honey. Paris! And guys, dito kami nakaupo sa labas. And you know what is pretty cool? Tingnan niyo, guys. So you have to do everything through here. See? Tap, order, pay. Simply order and pay at your table. Ayan, o, diba? So, wala na talagang, talking to someone. Ano na lang siya, everything is like this na para wala nang connection, na? What are you ordering, Paris? Chips!
Ow!
Hey, don't be curious, careful ba yan, anak? Taas kayo ng bangko. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, sobrang tangkad ng nila. Don't pick your nose pa. Okay, bulingit.
Do you want to ask if you got a high chair? You want?
Pinuna ng high chair, guys. Oh. Sobrang tangkad kasi ako. Natatakot ako baka matagap. Oh, sit down na siya. You can see? There. Tingnan nyo, guys. Si Tito ay naglilinis ng windows. Nakakatakot. There, oh. Anak, turun. Oh. With his bucket. Huh. Agay. Buta, makanap. Ay, yung bucket ta. Anak. Oo. Ang ilong ni mo pala siyang. Kita ni mo, wa. Tura. Have a look at the helicopter. Have a look at the helicopter. There, Tito's there. See? Can you see? So funny. Our drinks are here. Tignan niyo, guys. Lemon bitters ang laki. Yeah.
Nah, I don't know how to hold it up. Jesus. Use a straw.
Use the straw. Yeah. Nandito kami ngayon sa main mall talaga ng guys, Brisbane CBD. Meron tayong Salvatore, Burberry, Dior, Chanel, and Louis Vuitton. So yung kailangan ko lang talaga ngayon, guys, is pera. Pera na lang yung kulang sa akin, guys, kasi nandito na lahat ng shops. Anyways, kakalabas ko lang from Lululemon. Bumili ako nito. Ayan, ng bike shop.
No, the baby's not. You
For
are.
pregnancy kasi I think this is
I'm silly.
going to be really handy.
Yes, I am.
Let's go!
A few moments later.
Time check tayo, guys. What's the time, Daddy?
3:30.
3:30. Ayan, nakaupo lang kami dito kasi nag-snack ang ating baby girl. What are you having?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. What flavor? Vanilla.
And chocolate.
Ayan, nandito kami sa middle ng mga shops. You can see. Ayan. Sobrang ganda dito kasi maraming mga mga trees. Sa Melbourne normally building. Wanna give some to mommy? Little bit. Thank you.
So you see like the.
Hi guys, time check tayo. It's now 7 o'clock ng gabi. Ngayon lang tayo nakapag-vlog ulit guys kasi pagka-uwi namin kaninang hapon, nakatulog to siya. Ang kakagising lang niya. Kaya ngayon lang ako nakapagsalita dito sa loob ng room. Ang ating Daddy Mike ay nandun sa sauna, sa baba. Kasi alam niya naman yan yung love na love niya. So, Arya, what are you eating?
Crackers.
Crackers.
But what's the sound?
What is that? Nanonood siya ng ano guys. Yan yung pinapanood niya. Oh, Planet Movie. Kasi yan yung gusto niyang panoorin.
Who's out the door?
No one's at the door, honey.
No, it's in the door.
Ay, pinadlock na.
Why the door?
So, yan yung ginawa namin today. And alam nyo guys, sobrang dilim dito sa loob ng ano. Sobrang dilim sa loob ng kwarto ba kasi yung lights nila hindi talaga yung very bright. Anyways, so nag-shopping kami today. Hindi naman marami guys. Bumili lang kami ng something. So, pinakita ko na kanina sa inyo yung yung binili ko. So, ito yung bike shorts from Lululemon.
Lemon?
Yeah, Lululemon. Ayan, kasi kailangan ko ng ganito guys. Very comfortable kasi I got this one for 69 Australian dollars.
My dad, that's for me.
Ayan.
That's for you.
Yes, that's right. That's for mommy. This is for you. So, we went to H&M. Binilhan namin si Baby Paris ng frozen na...
Rusty one?
Yeah. Na pang swimming niya kasi magsiswimming kami. Magsiswimming sana kami tonight pero umuulan siya sa labas. Baka mabasa. may magsiswimming natatakot mabasa. Hindi kasi maginaw guys kapag umuulan kaya. Anyways, bukas na lang hopefully bukas ng maaga hindi siya umuulan. So ayan, super cute. Do you love it na?
Fun.
You had fun today?
Yeah.
Yeah. Daddy and Mommy carried you home because you were sleeping. You were sleeping.
I'm not sleeping, Mom.
And then, may binili sa Daddy Mike na shorts guys, pero sinuot na niya. That's from Nike. And yung last na binili niya ay itong sunnies. Ayan, from Ray-Ban. The same sunnies nung, if you watch our video, nung pumunta kami ng Moray River sa Echuca guys. Tapos na kasama sila Jess. Tapos yung tawag dito guys, uy, speedboat ba yun guys? Natuwang ba? So, naiwala yung kanyang glasses. And ayan, bumili siya ulit. Ayan. So, yan lang guys. Yan lang yung lakad namin, kanina. It was good. Ipapakita ko pala sa inyo yung view namin outside guys, ha? Umuulan. Umuulan na lang. Hindi na siya makita guys, yung city. Kanina, kitang-kita yung mga lights. Ngayon, hindi na siya kita. Bumuhos talaga yung ulan, oh. Knock, the rain is heavy, knock. Yeah. Ayan, hindi na siya makita. Nag-bugs na. Hayaan yun. Sweetie, did you have a good day?
Yes.
Did you have fun?
Yes, it
Yeah.
Crackers.
Tomorrow we'll have more fun, yeah? We're gonna see titos and titas tomorrow. We're gonna see... Who are we gonna see tomorrow?
Cousins.
Cousins?
Yes.
Yeah.
My tito and tita.
That's right. Tomorrow we're gonna see them. Are you excited?
Again?
Again, yeah.
And I'm gonna show my pula.
Yeah, we're gonna see more Tito tomorrow. There's more Tito tomorrow.
Just let's show titos.
Yeah.
Mother, the tito one.
Tito Ron?
I
Tito Ron is not here. Tito Ron is in Melbourne.
just like me.
Yeah, we're from Melbourne. We're in Brisbane.
Jake is in Brisbane.
No, Jack is in Melbourne.
Just and the other thing, so I don't think in moment.
Yeah. They're in Melbourne. But we're in Brisbane.
Yes,
Yeah. Do you like it here?
yeah.
Yeah. Did you like our walk today in the city?
Mine. You was on mine.
I'm alright, thank
Very
you.
Yummy, mine, yummy. Yummy.
Okay, thank you.
It's yummy crackers.
Do you love it?
Mine, the big mouth.
You have a big mouth.
Cat.
Lalabas sana kami for dinner, guys. Kaya lang, nakita nyo naman kanina na malakas yung ulan. So, Maybe Daddy Mike said maybe we'll just do Uber Eats. Yeah, what would you like to eat for dinner now?
Upgrade.
Uh-huh. What is it? Josh, palangga mo ka ni Mama.
Mommy, upgrade.
Do you love Mama?
I was not
Do
upgrade.
you love Mama? Promise? Promise?
Mommy, where's my ice cream?
Where's your ice cream? It's in the shop. Tomorrow we'll have ice cream. We'll have halo-halo tomorrow. I
Where's chocolate?
think we're going to Filipino restaurant tomorrow.
Mommy, I want a really big chocolate.
Okay, tomorrow, okay? When we see Tita and Tito.
After seeing Tita and one Tita first.
Alam nyo guys, sobrang umukay yung kanyang skin guys dahil doon sa ano, sa mga cream na
Mom, make a
nilalagay
big
namin.
mouth.
Have a big mouth?
Yes, try. It's make a big mouth. Just do it like that. And you can eat that now.
Mmm. Mmm. Yeah. Did you dance in the shop today? How did you dance, babe? Show me how you did, babe. How's that? Show me. Like that? Uy, kung sus, kita man ah. Lubot. Lubot.
No!
Lubot.
No!
Lubot. Lubot.
My, is it water?
Nak, is that all yours?
Yes.
Yes.
May you want some?
Yes, please. This is for dinner, guys. Tignan nyo.
Here we go.
Nagsuot ng kanyang frozen bating suit kahit hindi nagligo.
Okay.
Pil na lang niya. Wow! Yummy! Ito in order ni Daddy Mike for dinner, guys. So, sobrang laki. Hawaiian pizza.
Mom, which one you want to drink?
Can I have some of that, please?
Just water.
Share?
I got water.
Sharing?
No, Mom.
No, sharing?
No,
What's the
Mommy.
Paris? Sharing is? Sharing is?
Mommy, there's water there.
But I want Coke.
It's not good for you.
It's not good for me, but you're okay to drink it. How does it work?
Mommy.
Give me some Coke, please.
Mommy, there's water there.
Give me some Coke.
Mayo.
Just a little bit.
No, Mayo.
Why? Why can't I have Coke?
It's not good for you. It makes it hurt your teeth.
Really? And you're drinking it?
Mommy.
How about your teeth?
No, Mama. My teeth is very strong. Mayo, there's water there.
Of course, Paris. Okay. Alright. What is it?
I will show you. I take a toy. I the boo.
Ada boo. You got magic.
Mommy, there's the toy there.
Oh, wow. What a perfect magic, Paris. Well done. Guys, alam niyo guys, it's already 9:40. Yeah, okay.
Let me get a new one.
Okay.
I will show
Ready
you
na for bed,
the
oh.
toy. The boo.
Ready for bed na yan siya.
Mommy,
Ano mo na kayo, mag-end na tayo. We will end the vlog here now, guys, kasi ang aking mata ay nahulog na.
A toy.
At hoy, okay. We will do, anak, we will do a quick shout out, anak.
Yeah. I can get a toy.
Shout out
Mommy,
to...
I got a toy for you.
Oh, well done.
Put the toy there.
Hang on, sweetie. Can we do this shout out? You say, be, hello to Tita Maria Cruz. Could be Maria Cruz.
My grandma Cruz.
Fe Guarnes.
Merry Christmas.
Jocelyn Pason.
Mommy,
You say Jocelyn?
I will show you the magic. I will show you a toy.
Okay. Hang on. This one. Jocelyn. Can you-
Jocelyn?
Pason.
See?
Yeah. Clarice. Follow, Mama. Clarice.
No.
Shout out to Clarice Torres. Maricar.
Mommy,
Maricar
let me show you
Castaneda. Kimberly Lapernina.
Boo!
Hayaan nyo na to siya guys. Okay, grabe kasaba.
My, it's
Daisy Istabelio, Tata MC, Joanne Owano.
Mommy.
Shout out to Irene Aliperio, Butik Bob, Cherry May Ongayo,
Mami!
Yoli, Juliana Leon Shaw, Aroma T, Emelita Gonzalez, Moana Paloma, Michi Manalo, and Narcisa Diez Torrijos.
Mommy.
That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye.
like this. Put this up first. Mwah.